How to organize iPhone apps by color. So first of all, plan the order of colors you want on your home screen. For example, I want the first one to be black. So let me just create a folder. Long press an app until it starts jiggling. Then all you have to do is simply create a folder and drag it to the desired position based on its color. So let me just keep this black app at the first with the folders, or you can also not make the folder and drag it to the desired position on its color with the manually apps. So basically there is no built-in feature to do so. You will have to move apps manually. So repeat for all apps until your home screen shows a rainbow or color-coded pattern accordingly. Group similar colored apps into folders if you have many apps of the same color. This keeps your home screen neat and visually organized. Continue the color orders across multiple pages for a full effect, and once done, tap on the done or press the home button, and that is it. So here I have created the black and red theme. You can continue accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.